1. Define clear goals. Start by clearly defining your short-term and long-term goals. These goals will serve as the foundation for your disciplined efforts. Ensure that they are specific, measurable, and achievable. 2. Create a structured routine. Develop a daily or weekly schedule that outlines specific tasks and activities. Allocate dedicated time slots for work, study, relaxation, and other essential aspects of your life. Stick to this routine as closely as possible. 3. Break down tasks. Divide larger goals into smaller, more manageable tasks. This approach makes the overall objective less overwhelming and allows you to focus on one step at a time. Completing these smaller tasks provides a sense of accomplishment and reinforces discipline. 4. Prioritize effectively. Learn to prioritize tasks based on their importance and deadlines. Tackling high-priority items first ensures that you are addressing critical aspects of your goals. This skill helps in managing time efficiently and staying disciplined in the face of competing demands. 5. Cultivate self-control. Practice saying no to distractions and temptations that may derail your progress. Develop strategies to overcome procrastination, such as setting short breaks or using productivity tools. Strengthening your self-control is pivotal in maintaining discipline. 6. Embrace challenges. View challenges as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. By facing difficulties head-on, you develop resilience and perseverance. This mindset shift contributes significantly to the cultivation of discipline. 7. Establish a consistent routine. Consistency is key to building discipline. Stick to your schedule even on days when motivation is low. Over time, the routine becomes a habit, making it easier to adhere to and reinforcing your disciplined approach. 8. Regular self-reflection. Take time to reflect on your progress. Evaluate what worked well, and identify areas for improvement. Adjust your goals and strategies as needed. This reflective practice enhances self-awareness and contributes to continuous discipline development. 9. Seek accountability. Share your goals with mentors, friends, or family members who can provide support and hold you accountable. Regular check-ins and discussions about your progress create a supportive environment that reinforces disciplined behavior. 10. Utilize tools and resources. Employ tools like planners, calendars, or task management apps to organize your schedule and track your progress. These resources enhance your ability to stay on track and meet your objectives. By following these clear steps, you can systematically cultivate discipline and integrate it into your daily life for long-lasting personal and professional growth.